Every morning, millions of people wake up already tired. Their mind is racing, their phone starts buzzing, and before they've even had coffee, they're already stressed. But what if I told you just 10 minutes of yoga could completely reset your day? Not hours at a studio, just 10 mindful minutes that could clear your head, calm your nerves, and even make you more productive. Story time. Meet Emma and Daniel. Emma and Daniel are a young couple living in Austin, Texas. Both work full-time in tech, long hours, constant deadlines, and meetings that somehow never end. Every morning felt like survival mode. Emma woke up with tension in her neck. Daniel's first thought was checking emails before even brushing his teeth. Coffee became their breakfast, and anxiety became their alarm clock. They'd sit next to each other at the dining table, barely speaking, both already lost in the day's chaos before it even began. One evening, while doom-scrolling on Instagram, Emma came across a short video that said, 10 minutes of morning yoga can reset your mind before your inbox does. She sent it to Daniel, half joking, we should try this before we lose our sanity. The next morning, they did. They rolled out 2 yoga mats near their window, the sky still painted pink with sunrise, and followed a simple 10-minute routine. Deep breaths, neck rolls, gentle stretches. The science behind morning yoga. So, what really happened? Why did just 10 minutes of yoga make such a difference? When you practice yoga right after waking up, you trigger a powerful combination: movement plus breath plus mindfulness. This lowers your cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and increases endorphins, your body's natural mood booster. It's like flipping a switch. Your nervous system moves from fight or flight to calm and focused. Even short sessions increase blood circulation to the brain, helping you think clearly and feel more grounded before you step into your workday. The physical benefits. In just 10 minutes of morning yoga, you're activating your entire body. Gentle spinal movements reduce back pain and stiffness, perfect for those who sit all day. Deep stretches increase flexibility in the hips and shoulders, reducing tension caused by hours at a desk. Controlled breathing improves lung capacity and oxygen flow, giving you a natural energy boost. Even your posture changes. You start sitting straighter, breathing deeper, and carrying less tension in your muscles. The mental and emotional benefits. But the real magic? It happens in your mind. Morning yoga calms your thoughts. You begin your day in silence instead of chaos. That means fewer anxious mornings, fewer headaches, and more clarity during work. Studies show that just 10 minutes of yoga or mindful breathing can lower anxiety levels, improve mood, and enhance concentration for up to 6 hours after your session. So, when Daniel walks into his morning meeting, he's not reacting to stress. He's responding with focus. And when Emma faces a tough client call, she's composed, confident, and calm. The ripple effect. Morning yoga doesn't just make your day better, it transforms your habits. You start sleeping earlier, you eat more mindfully, you carry that calmness into every conversation, every decision. That's the power of a consistent 10-minute practice. Because it's not just about stretching your body, it's about training your mind to breathe through stress before it controls you. A gentle challenge. So here's your challenge. Tomorrow morning, before checking your phone or opening your laptop, sit on the floor, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Stretch your arms, move your body, and just give yourself 10 minutes. No music, no distractions, just you and your breath. Do it for 1 week. Then watch how your mornings and your mind begin to change. Because sometimes peace doesn't come from escaping the world. It comes from starting your day differently. Strong body, clear mind, better habits. If that's your goal, subscribe.